guys, my name is Angel Nigo and I'm back again with the good news. You know me, I'm a woman of good news. So today I'll be teaching you some of common moves that you can use in many of African songs. So today I'm gonna teach you leg work, I'm gonna teach you some of our piano dance moves, I'm gonna teach you so many things, Tanzanian dance moves. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love, totally you're gonna love it. So straight up, I'll start straight with leg work. I'll start with this called crisscross leg work. This one you start, this is my right and this is my left. Make sure that right, left. So you go push, step, step. So you go right, left, 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 right, right, left, 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 right. So you kick, you step, step. You kick, you step, step. Kick, 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 step, step. So the only thing that's gonna add that is you're gonna add the speed. The speed. So I'm gonna add the speed. Kick, step, step. 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 Kick. This is the real good. This is the first one. Let's go to another one. The other one is Galala. This one they call Galala. So you just have to do this 3 times. So you step, 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 step. But the sauce, it has to be here. It has to be like this. So you're just gonna do yeah. You can even add and rolling your hands. Simple like that. So after crisscross, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do 4 times, 4 times. Once again, slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here, I'm gonna teach you azonto. Simple. Azonto. You're just gonna do right, left, step, step, step. Left, right, step, step, step. This is very common and simple. And your hands, it has to be like this. It has to be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. Once again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go. 1, 2. Yeah. Wait. So from the top, slowly. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Galala. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I'm gonna teach again one Amapiano dance move, and this will be Kaka hips. Go back. So you're just gonna do your hip again, and then hit hard, come back here. So this is my right, and then you're gonna do your hip up and then down, and then use your right hand, push, and this one goes up like that. You jump, and then you step back. You be in the front. So simple like that. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Hit and curl. Here, from the top, slowly. Start with the crisscross. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Galala. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hoop up and here. Yes, exactly. And here I'm gonna teach you one of Tanzanian dance moves. We call it Sengeli dance moves. So it's a little bit faster, but you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even go down like that. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. This, both female and men can dance. Male and female can dance together. So you just go right, step, back, go down. And then from here you step back, and then the other one goes here, and then you just like that, simple like that. Here we call it Sengeli. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, step, 2, go down, and ha, 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 ha. So you bounce 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. From the top, starting from the crisscross. 5 from Nigeria. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Left Niger. Now Niger. Go Niger. Go Niger. Go Ghana. Hey. Go Ghana. Hey. And this South Africa. Go back. Tanzania. Yeah. Go down. Go down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the Sengeli part is a little bit faster because our music is a little bit fast. So the way you're dancing with the music is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we dance Sengeli. I'm gonna take you guys to Kenya with the Audi dance, and this one goes like this. You use your hands, goes here and here and here and here. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. When this one goes straight, the other one like this. And this one goes straight, the other one goes like this. But you have to do your legs like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple like that. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can 1, 2, 3, turn around. This is the Audi dance. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta-da-da. Simple like this is some of the dance moves that you can use in any of African dance. So once again, from the top, slowly. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Nigeria. Galala. Hey. Galala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. South Africa. Turn back. Tanzania. We call it Sengeli, guys. This is so amazing. And you know, go down, go here, can you come back, do the Audi dance. Hey, do the Audi dance. Souls. Fire. Where, fire. Where. One more time, and this will be the last time. I hope you guys are enjoying so much, because I'm enjoying. I'm having a good time here. So, okay, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And push back. Sengeli. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Away. Up. Do the Audi dance. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. 1. Do the sauce. Hey. Thank you guys for having me. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. See you next time here in my channel. I love you guys so much.